Attendance control in Excel. Attendance sheet in Excel. Manage your staff attendance easily and efficiently with our personnel attendance control format in Excel. Record attendance, lateness, absences, and more with this tool designed to streamline the personnel management process. Download now and save time on attendance control for your company or department. Our format to control attendance in Excel contains the following characteristics. Configuration. This template has a configuration area that allows you to determine the criteria and symbols to use in the records area for a more professional report. Here you can register up to 100 jobs. Ideal option for department heads or area supervisors. Worker registration. Our attendance control template includes a specially designed area to record up to 100 employees. This will allow you to keep detailed track of the attendance of all your staff in one place, in an easy and efficient manner. Additionally, this section will allow you to create drop-down lists in the registration area to intuitively select each collaborator. Attendance records. This section is set up to record and track the attendance, lateness, absences, breaks, and more for up to 100 employees. With this Excel sheet, you can easily and efficiently monitor your staff's attendance. In this module, you will be able to control and record attendance, delays, absences, and more. The sheet is divided into 12 sections that represent each month of the year. Each sheet contains drop-down lists based on the symbols selected at your discretion. Monthly dashboard. This attendance Excel template includes a monthly dashboard that allows you to view each employee's indicators on a monthly basis. You can get detailed information on attendance, lateness, absences, breaks, and more all in one place, in a visual and easy-to-understand format. Annual dashboard. In this section, you can access an annual dashboard that helps you understand and monitor each employee's indicators, allowing you to make informed decisions to improve your company's human resources management. If you want to simplify attendance control for your company, department, or area, our attendance control in Excel template is the ideal choice for managing your human resources. Download now and save time in personnel management.
Template available at Solis Enterprises. Visit our website, excelprojectsaj.com.